I will wake up early. I will wake up early. I will take a shower. I will take a shower. I will brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I will wash my face. I will wash my face. I will have a clean shave. I will have a clean shave. I will apply a face mask. I will apply a face mask. I will get dressed. I will get dressed. I will put on sunscreen. I will put on sunscreen. I will apply lipstick. I will apply lipstick. I will spray perfume. I will spray perfume. I will put on my shirt. I will put on my shirt. I will put on my jacket. I will put on my jacket. I will wear my hat when I go outside. I will wear my hat when I go outside. I will put on my shoes. I will put on my shoes. I will have healthy breakfast at 7 a.m. I will have healthy breakfast at 7 a.m. I will go to work at 8 a.m. I will go to work at 8 a.m. I will read the newspaper. I will read the newspaper. I will work on my computer. I will work on my computer. I will check emails. I will check emails. I will attend meetings. I will attend meetings. I will have lunch at 12 p.m. I will have lunch at 12 p.m. I will go for a walk. I will go for a walk. I will call a friend. I will call a friend. I will do some shopping. I will do some shopping. I will cook dinner at 7 p.m. I will cook dinner at 7 p.m. I will set the table. I will set the table. I will watch TV. I will watch TV. I will read a book. I will read a book. I will write in my journal. I will write in my journal. I will do the dishes. I will do the dishes. I will feed the pet. I will feed the pet. I will water the plants. I will water the plants. I will write a blog post. I will write a blog post. I will exercise. I will exercise. I will paint a picture. I will paint a picture. I will listen to music. I will listen to music. I will make homemade pizza. I will make homemade pizza. I will prepare a healthy snack. I will prepare a healthy snack. I will do laundry. I will do laundry. I will play a musical instrument. I will play a musical instrument. I will study a new language. I will study a new language. I will meditate. I will meditate. I will pack a lunch. I will pack a lunch. I will organize my desk. I will organize my desk. I will take vitamins. I will take vitamins. I will learn to cook a new recipe. I will learn to cook a new recipe. I will plan the next day. I will plan the next day. I will take out the trash. I will take out the trash. I will lock the doors. I will lock the doors. I will turn off the lights. I will turn off the lights. I will go to bed. I will go to bed. I will make coffee. I will make coffee. I will go to a concert. I will go to a concert. I will browse the internet. I will browse the internet. I will take a nap. I will take a nap. I will iron clothes. I will iron clothes. I will vacuum the floor. I will vacuum the floor. I will mop the floor. I will mop the floor. I will clean the windows. I will clean the windows. I will dust the furniture. I will dust the furniture. I will make the bed. I will make the bed. I will charge my devices. I will charge my devices. I will check the weather. I will check the weather. I will relax before bed. I will relax before bed. I will practice yoga. I will practice yoga. I will play a board game. I will play a board game. I will decorate a room. I will decorate a room. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. I will practice a dance move. I will practice a dance move. I will solve a puzzle. I will solve a puzzle. I will build a model. I will build a model. I will write a poem. I will write a poem. I will take photographs. I will take photographs. I will go biking. I will go biking. I will watch the sunrise. I will watch the sunrise. I will study history. I will study history. I will write a review. I will write a review. I will learn a new skill online. I will learn a new skill online. I will have a picnic. I will have a picnic. I will go bird watching. I will go bird watching. I will collect leaves. I will collect leaves. I will bake cookies. I will bake cookies. I will play with my pet. I will play with my pet. I will go swimming. I will go swimming.